Hi there everyone! Today I am sharing with you banana milkshake recipe. I love enjoying delicious creamy drinks, and banana milkshake can be enjoyed any time of the year. It's also a great way to start the day. This easy, wonderfully smooth and creamy recipe is perfect for all your desires. Plus, all you need is a few ingredients, a blender, and about 3 minutes to whip up the ultimate simple banana milkshake. Place in a blender 1 frozen banana, 6 cubes of ice, half teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 large scoop of vanilla ice cream, and 1½ cup of whole milk. Blend until smooth and creamy for around 2 to 3 minutes, depending on your blender. Finally, put the banana milkshake onto your glasses. Sprinkle a little cinnamon on top or add your favorite toppings, and enjoy! I recommend drinking it as soon as it's ready for the best flavor. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.